Okay, next person. This this person gives wholesome advice and everyone loves this person. There's not like one person who does not love this person. Yes, Hot Flakes got her. Hot Flakes got her. No, God of War, you have to guess from here. So let me Hot Flakes got this one. Let me cancel off. This is rigged. How? Hot Flakes is trying. McLovin, no, it's not. Okay, next. Cross off yellow. Oh yeah, true. No, yellow. Oh yeah, you're right, yellow. Thank you, Clover. Hi, Farmer. How are you? It's a competition type of thing. Okay, this is the next person. This person is an NA viewer who loves to join us on our movie nights and is active on stream. Also, they also stream. I should have put that in. They also stream. Raz? No, Oxy, bro, you have to pick from here. Hello, it's Raz here. Farmer! Okay, I'll add you on because I already have you. Baddies? No, bro. You have to pick from here. Is this list invisible? Uh, I'm not active. You haven't in the first half. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you, thank you. Yes, Chiefy. Chiefy, nice. Let me see if anyone gets Sam before you, though. Me makes sense. Just it is true. Try and trust. Okay, Chiefy got it. It was Sam. Farmer, what's happening? I put up confessions about people in chat who are on this list. Um, and you guys have to guess whoever gets the most, they get tallied. In this is the point system so far. Car cannot delete your guess. All right, let me